Kia ora koutou. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download all of your data from your Google Apps so that you can take it away with you when you leave school. There are a couple of things that are really important that you must make sure that you do. First of all, you can only do this process in Chrome. Do not try to use a different web browser, such as Safari, Firefox, Explorer, etc. It will not work. It may go through some of the steps, but ultimately, at the end, it will not work. So you must make sure you do it in Chrome. Secondly, you need to make sure that you are logged in under your school account in Chrome. Otherwise, the links won't work. Do it in Chrome. Make sure you're logged in. Now, let's take a closer look and see what we need to do. You will see this document that I have created called Google Download Data. And on this document are a whole list of instructions that you need to follow through. So first of all, it tells you that you must complete these steps on Chrome whilst logged into your school account. You can export and download data from Google products you use, like your email, calendar, photos, in a few easy steps. This will, of course, not delete your information from your school account. It's just simply making a copy of it. You can find out how to delete by clicking this link. So to make a copy, what we need to do is first of all visit this link here, download your data. So we click on it and click the URL, which will open up another page. And this page will show you all of the apps that you are currently enrolled in to use. And this is where you can select which ones you want to take data from. My advice is to just select them all, and that way you'll know you have everything that you can. Make sure that they're all checked and click Next. Then it's going to give you this option. What type of archive do you want to create? You can either create a .zip, .tgz, or .tbz. My advice to you is to do a .zip or a .zip file. Then your second choice is your delivery method. Where do you want this archive to be sent? And if we go back to the document I've set up for you, I explain through those different delivery types. So you can either have send download link via email, or you can add it to another Drive account, or you can add it to Dropbox, or you can add it to Microsoft OneDrive. And under each one of those, there are instructions on how to do that. So once you've decided what delivery method you want for your archive, you can select it here. So I selected email. Then you click Create, and once you click Create, you get taken to this page where it is beginning to create your archive. Now, depending on how big your storage is, will depend on how long this takes. I have 27 gigabytes of stuff stored in my Google Drive, so it's taking quite some time. And when it's finished, I will show you the next steps. So when your archive has finished downloading, you will receive an email in your account that looks a little bit something like this. Now, because we chose the zip option of download, zip can only download up to 2 gigabytes. So once it gets to 2 gigabytes, it then creates another zip and then another zip and another zip until you have got all of your files downloaded. So once that has happened, you'll see in your email that you have all of these archives to download. You click on one archive, and you will be asked to sign in because it's a security measure. And you'll be taken to this screen that says you've decided to download. It will come up to down here in the bottom left. And of course, because again, this is a large file, it takes a wee while to download. I mean, it's downloading 2 gigs. And of course, I'm doing this on the school Wi-Fi. You may find that if you do this at home, it will be a lot quicker. But once that zip file has downloaded, you can then go into it and take all the information out that you need, and you have a backup of all your Google documents, everything that you have stored in Google. So I hope this makes sense. If you have any issues with it, of course, send me an email and I will troubleshoot through them with you. The key to this is going to be patience. I suggest that once you download the zip files, you save them to your desktop on your device, and they're then yours to do whatever you wish. You can import them into a new account or just leave them on the desktop for whenever you need them. Remember though, you must do this on your own device, because if you download it on a school device, then you have to kind of go through the process all over again. So patience, remembering, be using Chrome, logged in to your school account, then create your archive, choose what type of file you want, whether it's a zip or any of the other options, and how you want to receive that, whether it's via email, Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and then just be patient enough and wait for it to happen. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Any questions, flick me an email. Ka kite anō.